Hi guys, today a really quick tutorial how to do 3D or rather shadow effect text for like your video manager, like you've just seen in the miniature of this video. So to explain step by step how this is done using your iPhone with a built-in photo application, I'll switch over to the screen now of my phone and I'll explain step by step. So, as I said, you don't need any special application. This is your regular photo app on your iPhone. So we have this photo you've seen in the miniature, and we'll be adding the 3D shadow effect text. So to start off, you click on Edit. Then you click on, I'm a little bit lost here, because normally I use the vertical arrangement and the horizontal ones, the icons are a little bit different, but the three dots here you have in the right corner, you click on that, select markup, click the plus, select text, double click, and use all capital letters. How to create 3D shadow effect text. Okay, don't put too much text because on the miniature will be difficult to see it. And also click on this AA here again and then zoom in the text so it fills out most of the screen. Also move the text down a bit to about 2/3 of the screen, because iPhones now have this panel with a video camera microphone on top, which goes over some of the images, so you don't want the text covered. And how do you make this pop out? Click on the text, click duplicate. Now click on this rainbow circle, choose white color, and then position the text so it has this nice shadow. Although, see the dot after the two, we have to start over. So we need to delete this text, edit, okay, duplicate, white. You can use any color combinations, but this tends to work best for me just to have dark shadow and white text. And that's it. So as you've seen, it's really simple and it gives you this nice shadow effect, which allows you to have the text separate, pop out from the background of your photo. So it's really legible, which is really important in those video miniatures. So at a first glance, somebody knows what's the video all about. So that's it for today. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you again soon.